How do you use a subagent in Codex? So subagents aren't automatic. You must explicitly ask Codex to launch them. They are still an experimental feature, but they are usable as of early 2026. And now in a Codex session, whether it's using the app or the CLI, you want to basically tell it what you want to be done in parallel. So for example, in your prompt, you will write something like this: spawn a subagent named reviewer to review my recent changes, and another subagent named tester to generate tests for those changes. And this basically will trigger subagents for each task. You can also control the subagent's behavior. They can be customized in prompts with parameters such as these ones. So for example, this prompt right here says spawn a default subagent with for context equals false, the model of the AI GPT 4.5 mini, the reasoning medium to review uncommitted changes. You can also inspect or switch to a subagent. So in tools like CLI or the command line tool, you can switch to a running subagent to view or inspect its context by simply running /agent space reviewer. You would normally run this in the command line or the prompt, which will basically allow you to interact with that subagent directly while it works. You should also use names that you recognize for the subagents so you can inspect or interact and switch to them if you want to. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.